Hello and welcome to Chester Peugeot. My name is Charlotte and today we'll be taking you around this approved used Peugeot vehicle. Introducing the Peugeot 3008 PureTech Active Premium Plus that does come complemented in the vibrant vertigo blue paintwork, really contrasting well with its advanced features. It does come complete as a 1.2 Petrol with a manual transmission, making it the ideal spacious and nifty city upgrade for any families or individuals, alongside enhanced visibility with your automatic LED headlights, complemented by your stylish rear design. You do also have added protection with your power folding wing mirrors alongside your front and rear sensors and even your reversing camera for those tighter parking spots. The boot does offer plenty of space to accommodate your travel needs and day-to-day items, whilst the interior does enhance the comfort with a full cloth trim with access to your central climate vents. Moving into your front, you will find your multifunctional leather steering wheel with access to your Peugeot iCockpit and central touch display. Again, your two front seats do have a full cloth trim. And to seamlessly navigate around the vehicle, you will find your mounted audio controls on your steering wheel, including your options to navigate around your iCockpit, displaying all of your vital driving data in one place, much more accessible when you are out on the open road, alongside your speed limiter and cruise control, again to assist when you are on those motorway trips. And moving across, you will find your variation of radio stations to keep you endlessly entertained, alongside your Bluetooth connection compatible with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Alongside your driving functions, you do also have access to your parking sensors and reversing camera. This does come complete with your 180 and a zoom view mode, so it is ideal when you are in those tighter spots. You do even have your on-screen dual climate control for a more desired temperature, followed just below by your various driving functions. You do even have a handy charging pocket, cup holders and storage. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.